Okay, here we go. On 915, the first one is 3x squared plus 7x plus 2. So a is 3, b is 7, c is 2. So x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Do what's inside the square root symbol first. 7 squared is 49. This time there's only one subtraction, so you'll bring it down. 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. 49 minus 24 is 25. So then you have negative 7 plus or minus square root of 25 over 6. Square root of 25 is 5. So then now you have a negative 7 plus 5 over 6 and a negative 7 minus 5 over 6. And so you get negative 1/3 and negative 2. Let's check out on B. A is 2, B is a negative 9, and C is a negative 35. So x equals negative b, so since it was negative 9, you change it to positive, plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And then you simplify. Negative 9 squared is 81. Here we have a negative and a negative, so we'll add them together. 4 times 2 is 8, times 35 is 280, and 81 plus 280 is 361. The square root of 361 is 19. So now you have 9 plus 19 over 4 and 9 minus 19 over 4. Let's try C. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Do inside the square root symbol first. Negative 10 plus or minus. 10 squared is 100. There is only one subtraction, so that'll keep it subtract. 4 times 8 is 32, times 3 is 96. 100 minus 96 is 4. Then you have negative 10 plus or minus square root of 4 over 16. Square root of 4 is 2. So negative 10 plus 2 over 16. And a negative 10 minus 2 over 16. And let's check out D. X equals negative b, so since it was a negative 5, you change it to positive, plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Since a was 1, I just put the 2 there. Simplify inside square root symbol first, so you get 25, and then we have minus 4 times 9 is 36, and there's only one negative sign there, and so it does stay subtraction. 25 minus 36 is negative 11. You cannot take the square root of a negative 11, so you are actually done right there, and there would be no solution. Now remember what that looks like, and if you graph it on Desmos, what you'll see is at some point your parabola would be like floating in the air. I don't know if it's there or over here or where in the world it's at, but if this happens, it means no solution, which means there are no x-intercepts. It doesn't mean you can't graph the parabola. It just means it doesn't cross the x-axis. And there are 9.1.2 notes.